Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Back again with another video. I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's watching. So let's get to the video. Well, hold on, before we get to the video, let's get this politic and business out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Now we got all that politic and business out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Today you're going to be doing an unboxing of a surge protector. Power surge protector. / power strip, whatever you want to call it. From Mifaso. I don't know if you can see that right there. Mifaso. M-I-F-A-S-O. You know, nice little travel. Something you travel with, like you're going on cruises and stuff like that. You know, a lot of times they won't let you have those long surge protectors with the cords or everything. You know, this right here should do the trick. Alright. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Before we get unboxed, let me show you where you can get it from. You can get it from Amazon for $25.99 with an extra 7% off. Alright. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Get this little quick unboxing video out of the way. Let's open it up. I hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. You guys keep my voice, boy. It's pollen. Woo. You're doing something on your boy's voice. Alright, I got the 2-pack. That's what I should show you. I got a 2-pack. And they also sell them in singles. And I think on the singles, I only saw the white in the single. And in order to get the black one, you got it by the 2-pack, from my understanding. So let's take them out. This is what you got out of the box. Set the box aside. We don't need that box. And this is how they look like. Get this one out. Get this one out. And see, these come in handy, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to just for traveling or whatever. These come in handy any purposes, like, you know, because one, I'm going to probably use one of these, like one in the bathroom, and then one for travel. So this would be my travel one, and this would be for the bathroom. Alright? Let me give you some information on these bad boys right here. It's a 2-pack surge protector power strip. wall tap power plug adapter with dual USB charging ports. You got 3 outlets on there. 490 joules, 5 volt by 2.5 amp total, 15 amp, 175 watt max. You know. Okay, so you can see that. Let you see that for yourself right there. So like I say, this will be something, be good to, like I say, take on vacation with you. Something that's very convenient. Let me bring you a little close up so you can see what it looks like. So you see you got your two USBs right here. So you can have 2 USBs, plugged up right here, and you got 3 plugs right here as well. You got 3 AC outlets, and they got the little branding on the top. You got the little LED to let you know it's surge protector. You got surge protector right there. Also to let you know it's working properly. It'd be green. And let's see. It's not that really that big. It's probably about 2.5 inches long or 2 inches wide, something like that. I'm just guesstimating on here, so don't quote me on that. On the back, you got 4 different little screw holes right there. I got it put together. Got your prongs, and you can see right here the little information on the plug itself. You pause that, read it for yourself. It's pretty light plastic, small, don't take up too much space. So what I'm gonna do here, check out the black one. The black one's identical. Nice, clean, pretty decent looking device. Like I said, this one has it's got the iSmart USB 2.4 amp USBs right here. And like I said, it says surge protector. It's got the little LED right here, and the Mifaso branding as well. 3 outlets, 3 AC outlets, and then you got your AC plug to plug into the wall. Like I said, and this right here will fit very easily in your little backpack. I mean, matter of fact, let me put it so you can get a size comparison. This is my Note 8. This is my Note 8 compared to the device, so you can kind of get a gist of the size of it. You see that? So let me get it in hand. So right there, you can kind of see, get a gist of the size of it right there. You know what I'm saying? That'd be any better. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, let's check and see how these bad boys work. I'm gonna go ahead and I got my little trusty power strip right here. I use it for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in. As you can see, it's on because I got the LEDs. You can see the LEDs on. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Bam. Matter of fact, I'm gonna plug in the black one. You might be able to see that a little bit better for the LED. All right. Now, there's no. I thought maybe that would be a button, but it's not. I'm gonna turn on the lights in the studio so you can probably see that LED. But matter of fact, I'll bring it up closer where you can see the LED. Turn it down. As you can see, you see the LED is on, so that's letting you know it's getting power. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it back on, so you can see it's getting power. So I'm turning the lights back up on the studio. I don't mean blinding everybody. Might should be turning down just a tad bit. All right. So we see that it's on. So I'm gonna get something to plug into here. So I got a power bank on deck, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug that into the USB port. See here, plug that into the USB port, and watch this on here to see. Make sure. I hope I got. There you go. So I'm going to cut it off. All right. Now you can see right here that the it's not on, but once I click the power on, bam, it's on, and you can see the green LED on here lit up as well. Now I'm going to also plug in. I'm going to plug in my my cell phone, my Note 8. I'm going to plug it. I'm going to plug it in down here in one of the AC outlets. And let's see what happens. Alright. I'm going to plug it in. Should be getting some power. I got it plugged in all the way in here. Let me double check. Because Houston, we might have a problem. Okay. Well, I had it in. Maybe it's something. Maybe I wasn't paying it close attention. All right, so I'm gonna leave it down here. Turn the lights down. Turn the light back up. All right. Plug it in. Okay, it says charging. Why the screen didn't turn, I don't know. But I'm gonna turn the power off again. Okay, it went off. So I'm gonna turn the power back on. Okay, it says it's charging. You can barely see it down here. It says charging. It's not doing fast charging, which it should have been doing fast charging. Do I have a fast charging brick? No, I don't have a fast charging brick. That's why. But it charges. And let's plug it into. Let me see how it does. Being plugged into the USB port. Same thing, it's charging. Matter of fact, I just want to double check to see if it does do fast charging. I'm going to grab a fast charger and hold tight for me. Appreciate your patience. Had to come grab that. Should have been prepared. Had to walk out the office. Alright, I'm going to plug this. I'm going to plug a fast charging cable in here. Because I want to make sure, make sure that this thing does fast charging. Because you want it to be able to do fast charging. So, let's go ahead and plug it in here. Fast charging. Fast charging. So it does do fast charging. I just didn't have a fast charging power brick. I thought I did, but I didn't. Old charging brick. So let me wipe this phone off a little bit so you can see. So I'm turning it off. You can see at the bottom. We'll get this thing to focus. Why it won't focus on there? But you can see it's saying fast charging. So yeah, it does fast charging. So there, it's a pretty decent little product. You know what I'm saying? It's good for travel. It's excused to the all my little rushing around trying to do the video. But like I said, we wanted to, you know, make sure it did everything I need to do. Like I said, you can have 3 devices plugged up in here. You know, 3 AC devices. Make sure, you know, you got space for the plugs. And 2 USBs plugged in here at the same time. So have all this plugged up in here. Unplug it all. See, it all works. And voila, you're good to go. And like I say, you get a 2-pack for $25.99, 7% off. So you can still get it for $25, and it's not bad. You know, this is worth it. You know, do a traveling or whatever. Like you might have an outlet, so like in the bathroom. Like I'm gonna put this one in my bathroom, and this one's gonna go in my tech bag. You know, travel with, and it don't take up that much space. Like I say, here's a power bank. It's real small, real small. You know, matter of fact, let me get a TV remote control. It's smaller than a TV remote control, so you know, doesn't take that much space. So if you're in the market looking for, you know, some surge protectors, you know, some little wall mounted surge protectors, I would go with these. These pretty decent, and I recommend them. You know, so you know, got 2 USB, 2.4 amp outlets up here, and 3 AC outlets. That's pretty decent. Not taking up that much room. Little LED indicator, you know, it's working right. It'll be green if it's working right, and it'll be red if it's not. All right. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views with another video. Tongue tied. And if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend. When we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, we're going to be doing some videos. But I can't do it without you guys' support. So, you know, I appreciate everybody already supporting the channel. And once we get to 2,000 subscribers, we'll be doing some giveaways. And I appreciate everybody taking time out of the day to check out the video. And this has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And the message for today is, when the world is getting you down, you're having a bad day, don't let the world get you down. Because you got to think about it. Things could be worse. And there's somebody out there that's having a worse day than you are. It's always somebody more worse off than you are. So, hey, if you're having a bad day, think about that. Things could be worse, and just be appreciative that things didn't get worse, or whatever situation you're in, all right? So don't let things get you down, man, because there's always, you know what I'm saying, somebody out there got it worse. So that's the message for the day, man. Keep your head up. All right, this has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, and I'm out.